An accurate and defensible facility capital plan begins with data. Lots and lots of data. And the best way to collect that data is with a facility condition assessment, or FCA. If you've never conducted an FCA, or it's been a long time since you have, here are 3 reasons you need to complete an FCA before you begin capital planning. 1. To create a detailed understanding of the buildings, systems, and infrastructure in your facilities portfolio. Think of it like this. You wouldn't set a retirement savings goal without looking at your current financial situation. Facilities work the same way. You shouldn't make any major forward-thinking decisions until you understand your portfolio's financial risks and human safety concerns. 2. To measure the functional condition of your facilities and document their renewal needs. Facilities condition data will help you make the smartest investments for your organization and route your capital to the places where it will have the greatest impact. 3. To take the guesswork out of capital planning. Data collected by an FCA provides an objective baseline your organization can use to make difficult, often emotional decisions, so you don't throw away money on assets that need to be replaced or decommissioned. Those are 3 stellar reasons to conduct an FCA, but deciding to act is just the first step. Next, you have to decide how to collect all that data. Asking your staff to shoulder the load is a recipe for overworking your team and ending up with an incomplete assessment that won't help the planning process. That's why the best way to collect FCA data is to work with an industry partner who has a proven track record of documenting facilities needs and defining project priorities. A partner like Gordian. Our team of engineers and assessors has a wealth of experience and specific areas of expertise that they use to evaluate your facilities from the foundation to the roof and everywhere in between. By the end of the assessment, you'll have a comprehensive view of your facilities portfolio and the data you need to build an informed multi-year capital plan. Gordian can help there too. Our expertise extends well beyond FCA data collection. We can help you leverage your FCA data into an actionable and sustainable capital plan. Visit our solutions page to learn more.